live. That's clear. I can live. I can hear my voice. I can live. I can hear my voice. I'm using this. I can live. I'm getting my echo. Let me just check my audio settings. I'm getting my echo. Let me just check my audio settings. Oh, I remember. This thing is open on one tap. Yeah, I remember. I'm sure it's open here. Yeah, it's open here. And now see where the problem. It was open on another tab. I found where the problem was. Yeah, there's no sound, right? I'll fix it now. It was open on another tab. Okay, reduce background noise. Okay. I think it's better now. Guys, can you guys hear my voice? And I'm just gonna apologize again. I'm having a bit of flu this morning, but that won't disturb us from trading. Please drop a fire emoji on the comment section if you can hear my voice. Drop a fire emoji on the comment section. Share with someone, please. Drop a fire emoji. Drop the fire emoji on the comment section. And please let me know where you're joining us from. Let me know where you're joining us from. Just drop your country flag. Or the name and the name and the flag, right? Just drop the name and the flag. Name and the flag. Let me know where you're joining us from. Let me know where you're joining us from. Just drop your country and your flag. Perfect. Let me see. So we have Zimbabwe, we have UAE, we have Uganda, we have Nigeria, UAE in the room again. We've seen Uganda. Let's see. Cameroon in the room. We have Kenya in the room. Okay, what did the person from Cameroon say again? It passed too quick. Okay, the person from Cameroon said joining from Cameroon already hit 3 TP today. That's awesome. That's the reason why I'm here. So that we can all win in Forex. We can all make money from Forex trading. Puru. I'm sure I'm pronouncing it correctly. From South Africa, shout out to you. We have a lot from Nigeria. Soweto, SA. Soweto, how are you doing? That's someone in SA like me. We have UK in the room. We have Nigeria in the room. We have France. We have people from all over the world. We have Nigeria first should surely be in Canada, right? Zambia, Livingstone, shout out to you. Ivory Coast, bienvenue, bon soirée. Ivory Coast, you guys speak French, right? Germany, I wish I could speak German. Cameroon, Gabsi, now how are you today? Also out in the chat. Sweden in the room. Shout out to Deriv from Sweden. We have Ghana in the room. South Africa, you have a lot of South Africans in the room, guys. We have a lot of South Africans. I missed the morning entry, but I'm here with the good again. Thank you so much. Don't worry. you should never suffer from FOMO. Don't suffer from FOMO. Even if you miss a setup in the morning, we are here to continue again. Let me just fix my cow guy. I don't know why it's too big for me today. It's better like this. It's more focus. The boy is focused. Shout out to Lou Fate from Joburg. I'm also in Joburg. Maybe we're going to meet up sometimes. Victoria Falls. Victor Falls. I think, is it Victoria Falls or Victor Falls? Victoria Falls, right? I'm sure the person pronounced it or made a mistake. Zambia. Shout out to Frederick from Zambia. All right, guys, let's continue from where we ended in the morning. If you miss our session in the morning, so fortunately or unfortunately in the morning, I had another meeting that I had to jump in. I jumped into that meeting, and we had to cut our session in half. So we're just going to be continuing from where we ended. So let me just go here, put our banners on so that we know exactly what we are doing. Okay, trade live with Ndemazeah Godlove. Okay, yep. And then, okay, so let's go here. I'm just going to share my screen so that we continue from where we ended. Share screen, entire screen. Yes. Voila. Okay, let me know if you guys can see my screen, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you can see my screen. Let me know in the comment section if you can see my screen. Okay, you guys can see my screen. That's good. All right, if you guys can remember, this is what happened in the morning. We did our analysis, and before I went in the morning, you can see our battery is transmitter is 110% remaining. Okay, that's fine. So if you guys can remember, this is what happened in the morning. We took 3 trades, one in Great Britain Pound USD, AED CAD, and Euro Great Britain Pound. All you can see, the buy was Great Britain Pound USD, AED CAD was sell, and Euro Great Britain Pound was also a sell. So these were the lot size we used. These were our entries, our exits, our risk to reward, everything. And let me just hide this. So if I continue going like this, you can see as we are recording the video, boom, we already hit TP on what? On Euro Great Britain Pound. That's plus 2% of our account. And remember, this is phase 2 of the first account we started last week. If you guys can remember, this is phase 2 of the first account we already passed. This is a certificate of the account. If you guys can remember, this is a certificate right here. This certificate was sent in just today. And as we speak, we've already hit the first TP on that same account. We just need 5% to pass, and I've already bought another one again, which we're going to be taking trades on the new account today. So yes, we've already hit win on this particular one, and we are still in progress on Great Britain Pound USD. We are still in progress on AD card. So let's see what's going on those 2 positions. We can easily just start on the history. Let's go on the history. You can see this is our history right here. Boom. Clear 2%. Can you see 2%, $2,000? That was our first trade on that account, and it was a big win. All right. Now let's go down to the trades that are up and running. Remember, we took a total of 3 trades. So for the ones that are up and running, AD card, this is AD card right here. We are just circulating around the entry price. We are down by minus $400. This is AD card. Let's go to Great Britain Pound USD because we have Great Britain Pound USD. So this is Great Britain Pound USD right here. We got in right here. You guys can see this. We've gone very far on Great Britain Pound USD. So we got in we got in exactly here. Our stop loss was, let me see our stop loss. Stop loss was almost 40 pips, and we went for 80 pips. So that is it. We are up by almost about, let's measure and see, by about 42 pips. That's almost about $1,000 up. And the equity here is almost $600. So that's what is happening on Great Britain Pound USD. And you can check our equity is almost $1,261. Meaning we've already made more than half of what we need to pass this challenge. We've already made more than what we need to make to pass the challenge. Okay, this is what I want you guys to pay attention, right? sorry, excuse me, guys. I'm actually suffering from a cold. This is what is actually helping me today. Just take a big glass of water. So yes, this is what you guys need to pay attention. Guys, before we go into this, please drop a like on the video. Drop a like on the video and share with someone. Drop a like on the video and share with someone. Let's get at least 300 people in here and watching. Let's get at least, let me give you guys a minute to do that, please. Drop a like on the video, click that share button and share on your WhatsApp, share on your Instagram, share anywhere on the internet that you have visibility. Let's get at least 300 people here watching. Don't keep this to yourself, guys. Don't keep this information to yourself. Let's share it with someone who might need it. So hit that button to also share the video. And drop a like, leave a thumb up on the video. Guys, please leave a thumb up on the video. Leave a thumb up on the video. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. I'm just going to quickly pick this call. Just a minute. Sorry about that distraction, guys. I had to pick a call quickly from my wife. So let's continue. So please drop a like and share with someone. Good. So again, remember I just explained our standing. We should be able to know where our equity is standing for now, and that's where our equity is standing. And if I have to share this, if we have to go here, and this is our trading journal, I'm just going to fill all of that other one when I'm done with the video. I didn't have time to fill my emotions, the strength, the weaknesses, all of that. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Now let's check on FTMO to see. You can see on FTMO, this is the account that is up. Let's just refresh the page. Let's refresh the page. And then we're going to continue. Perfect. So after refreshing the page, you can see this one is almost $1,200. If you go down, you're going to see. And then we're also going to trade on this fresh one. We haven't even started this one. This one is already passed. So let's quickly go here and see if we can take more trade. I want you guys to take note of something. This is what I want you guys to take note. I've already, the first trade I took in the morning, remember I said once I've already got into phase 2 and funded. Phase 2 and funded, I don't take more than 5 trades in a day. Meaning, even if all those trades goes against me, I'm very, very okay because I don't want to violate the 5% daily drawdown. I can take 10, 15, 20 trade if I'm still on what? If I'm still on the challenge phase. But once I've already passed the challenge phase, I become a little bit conservative. So that's why here I wasn't going to take more than 5 trades on this particular account for today. But we took the first 3 trades in the morning, and boom, the first trade was what? The first trade was a win. So that first trade that was a win already gave us a buffer. So we have now plus 2%. Meaning instead of 5 trades, I can actually take 7 trades today because we have a buffer. All right. So I just want you guys to pay attention. All right. So we can continue now. Instead of just having 2 trades here, we can still take more 5 trades on this account. So let's go. Let's continue on trading view. Trading view already means the setup. I saw this earlier. I would have jumped in, but you can see I already drew this even before we even started the video. But it's already going a little bit too far. All right, it's going a little bit too far. This is gold. This is obviously, is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. This is on gold. So let's see. Let's see what can be done. If we're getting in here, how much are we going to be risking on gold? If we shorting gold here, it means we're going to be risking about 100 pips. No, I'm not ready to risk 100 pips, guys. So I'm not ready to risk 100 pips. I'm going to wait for a better entry. That's trading. You need to be able to wait for the market, for the setup to come to you. I'm not ready to risk 100 pips on this trade. So Let's just play the waiting game again. Let's play the waiting game and see what happens. So we can just start again. Remember, we already did our analysis in the morning. We can just quickly go through to actually see what's happening. Okay, this one I already said earlier that we already missed the move somewhere here. So there's nothing we can do. This cross here would have entered somewhere here. So here, what we're just waiting to happen, if we can see something like this. Then this is where our fee will go from here to here. This will be around the 50% level, and boom, we will be looking to buy somewhere here. Till then, we're just waiting for the market to do its thing. So we're just playing the waiting game. USD JPY, nothing we can do for now. We're waiting for the same thing to happen, waiting for something to happen like this, and then continue down this area. If we bring in our FIBs from here to here, this will be around the 51% level. So we're looking to sell somewhere there. So now we're just waiting. Great Britain Pound USD, you can see awesome. We entered somewhere here. We are already up with what again? We are already up with almost, you can see, this is where we entered. We are already up with almost one arrow of our account. AUD USD, which is gold. Like I said, there's nothing for now. We're just gonna wait. Great Britain Pound AUD, good. This is what I was looking in the morning. I was expecting the market to push back a little bit, but it didn't push. You see this push in the in our direction. So we're just gonna wait again. We're just gonna wait. I'm waiting to see a major retracement in our direction that can be able to give us like a 50% fib level. So let's see what's happening on. Waiting for the same thing to happen, something reasonable. If I bring in my fib from here to here, you see the fratter is just going to help you to easily plot your fibs. But even if you don't have the fratter plot in, you can still be able to plot your fibs manually. So you can see we are even still on the 23% level of the fibs. I'm waiting for it to hit the 38% level. If you can hit the 38% level, that's where we're going to be getting into the trade again. Please, guys, please make sure you drop a like on the video. Make sure you drop a like on the video and share with someone. Great Britain Pound card on Monday. Don't force the trade. Don't force your trades on Monday. Let the trades come to you. Let the trades come to you. See, I'm not forcing my trades. I'm waiting my trades come to me. I'm just waiting for something like this, and boom, I'll be looking to enter here. Remember, the cross of these two moving averages, so long as they're sloping upward with the fast moving average above the slow moving average, that's a confirmation of an uptrend. So I'm just waiting for something like this to jump into that trend. I want to only trade in the direction of the trend. Monday, when you're talking about me when I'm making money. There's music like that. So Monday, you don't force your trades, guys. You don't force your trades on Monday. Let the market play out. Let the trades do a thing, and then you jump in. I'm still waiting for a major pullback here. Jumping in here is not safe. It's not a safe decision, because if I bring my feet from here to here, you'll just be able to see. Let me show you. This should just be around the 28% level. So let's wait. Let's wait. There's nothing more we can do. There's nothing more we can do on this one. Just saving us time. There's nothing more, again, we can do on this one. If we bring our fibs, you can see this is what I was looking at the other time. This is what I was looking, but it's short in our direction, all right? So if we can then bring in our fibs from here to here, this will be around, this is not even up to the 38% level. So we're still going to wait again. We're going to come back in about 2 hours, and hopefully we should be able to get the market testing these levels. So let's wait. Let's wait. This is the one that was a mighty winner. Can you see this? This is the one that was a mighty winner. Look at the entry. Look at the kind of entry we got. The immediate we entered, boom. Look at the kind of entry we got here. Boom, before they hit our TP on this one. And what is happening? These are the kind of trades that you can get into the market and then jump in again. So let me remove this one. If I can bring my fib now from here to here, this is the most recent swing low, most recent swing high. You can see this market is giving us I can see. Because this should be our most recent swing low, most recent swing high. So it pulled right up to even past 61% level. So if we're entering on a short again, we can still jump into this particular trade, but we need to be very, very careful in the sense that, let me remove this. In the sense that if we're jumping in here, this market has the ability to test these areas. That's something you guys need to know. If we're jumping in here, the market is going crazy, it's pulling with speed in Okay, this one is almost going to our TP, and this one, so it's fine. It's fine. That's the advantage of having a couple of positions, because you tend to have that equilibrium. So this one is pulling a little bit too harsh against us, but let's wait for this candle to close, guys. I'm not feeling this one a lot, because this candle might close when it's actually above that fib level. So let's just wait a little bit for that candle to close. Let's wait a bit for that candle to close. That's what I'm seeing for this particular one. Let's wait for that candle to close. Voila, 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 voila. I wanted this to happen here, but it didn't happen, right? Wanted this to happen, but it didn't happen. So we're just going to remove this, and again, we're waiting for what again? We're looking for something like this. We're looking for something like this, and then like this. Where this area is where we'll be looking to enter. The market hasn't pulled down that yet. So if we're entering here, this is very risky. So we're not going to be risking, we're not going to be taking that amount of risks. So let me just quickly see something, guys. Let me quickly see something. Let me quickly see something. Let me quickly see something. Okay, let me quickly see something. All right, let's wait and see. So this area will be a reasonable area if the market push back. So for now, let's wait. Let's just play the waiting game. The same thing is happening here. Let's just play the waiting game. Let's play the waiting game. If we can see something like this. More money is made in Forex trading. More money is made in Forex trading waiting than actually trading. So don't think anytime I open my chart, I'm just going to be pressing buy, sell, just because just because I want to buy and sell. No, I wait for those setups to come to me, and then I execute. That's why we've only been able to take 3 trades today. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for that one again to see what actually happened. The same pullback again. In a couple of hours, we're going to be having a lot of setups. We're going to be having a lot of setups hitting our target. So we are expecting the same thing here. If this can just pull up a little bit, then we're going to be entering on a sell. If that can just pull up a little bit. So after this, I'm just going to set my alert. This should be 2:30. So 4:30 my time, I'm going to be back on my chart to confirm most of these areas. AUD USD. Voila. I can see something on AUD USD. No brainer. No brainer, no brainer. No brainer, no brainer. So this would have been our most recent swing low. Okay, most recent swing low, most recent swing high. So let's see. This one here has gone a little bit too far, but I can jump in on a sell. Why? Because you can see this sell was confirmed right here. This sell was confirmed right here. So I can wait for any bullish candle, any bearish candle to close, and we enter on a sell. Or we just keep waiting, because you don't know for how long the market is going to be bullish. If the market continues being bullish, we're going to confirm a cross. And anytime we have a cross of a fast moving average crossing over the slow, that's instead going to be a bullish market. So we need to be very, very careful at that point in time. We need to be very, very careful. So this is where we just play the waiting game. I'm waiting for a total cross, and then wait for a pullback and continuation. Just something like this, so that you guys understand, can still do this, and then boom, do this, and then this. By the time it's getting here, we're going to confirm a cross of the moving averages right here. Then this pullback is going to be confirmation of our what? Our 50% fib level, and then we can enter somewhere here. So let's just wait for that to happen. If it happens, I'm not saying I'm not a god. Trading is a game of probabilities, guys. Okay, this is what we saw in the morning. Let me just remove this. This is what we saw in the morning, and we're just saying the market is just doing what? The market is still in this triangular pattern, and there's actually nothing we can do. So let's just wait and see, because we are still in a downtrend. Anyway, we are still in a downtrend. And if we can bring our feet from most recent swing low to most recent swing high, let's see. It's just going to be from year to year. The pullback is not that significant. So if it's not clear, don't force it. If it's not clear, don't force it. Okay, I'm seeing the same thing. Monday is like this. Monday, you actually have to wait for the setups to play out. You actually have to wait for the setups to play out. AD card. AD card. Perfect. I like this. I like it. Can you guys remember this trade? Look at AD card. It was almost against us. It was almost going against us. Look how it's piercing into profit. Look at AD card is piercing. And this just shows you the ability on you knowing how to place your stop loss. Because even though we enter somewhere here, look at where my stop loss was placed. The market even went against us, but it didn't hit my stop loss. I wasn't catched by stop loss hunters. Boom! Look how we're pushing into profit. If you look here, we are already into profit. Look, we're already pushing into profit on that particular pair. Now let's continue. Let's continue. I'm looking for an opportunity for us to get even 1 or 2 trade, but if we don't have it, it is what it is. The same thing, Monday trade. You can't force it. You can't force it. I'm waiting for something again like this, like this. I can't enter on a buy or sell here because you might enter on a buy where this trend is going to be continuing. You might enter on a sell when what happened? When the sell was already the seller were already the selling pressure was already dying. So at this point in time, you wait for the market to be able to retrace against the trend and give you a potential entry point. NZD-USD. Yes, this is the same thing I saw. The same thing I saw, which I'm going to be, I think we're going to be acting on this particular one. Most recent swing low, most recent swing high. The market has already pushed back to my 50% level. So voila, we're going to be getting a trade here. It's easy as that. So let's go here, NZD-USD. We're going to enter here. We're going to enter here on NZD-USD. Stop loss, you can see this gap right here. So you need to be very, very careful. So most of the time, gaps will always be filled. All right. I don't know, those of you guys who trade ICT, they call it fair value gap. Whatsoever you want to call it, it's just called gap trading. Don't complicate your life. It's called gap trading. Simple. So most of the time, most of these gaps needs to be filled. And you can see the gap is already filled. So that's why reasonably, I will risk 11 pips on this trade. Reasonably, I will risk 11 pips and go for 22 pips. Okay, that's it. NZD, NZD-USD. Let's go and calculate our risks. NZD-USD, we'll go to Lionheart Funding Program Position Calculator, and then you click on Position Size in pips. Here you write NZD, where is it? NZD-USD. Which side? There you go. The recent update of this will make it in a way that you can easily just type the currency pair. So account balance is 200,000. We're risking 1%, and stop loss is 11 pips. So let's click on calculate. So we're going to be using 9.09 lot size. 9.09 lot size. So let's minimize this. NZD-USD, where are you? There you go. 9.09. 9.09. Not better lot. 9.09 lot size. That's what we're going to be using on this trade. We're going to hit on sell. That is it. We're going to modify, and then we quickly go to modify. This one is going to be 11. 11 pips is the same as 110 points, and 22 pips is the same as 220 points. Click on that. There's a mistake somewhere. Oh, that's a daily time frame. I need to be on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Yes, 1 hour time frame. We're still on a downtrend. That's what I was looking. Good. So that's our stop loss. That's our take profit. Let's allow the market to do its thing. And then let's continue. We can quickly just put this one on what? On let's just journal down this one. So it's the same date. You can see that's the same date, but our time now is 14. It's actually 2:30, 14:45. 14:45. This one is NZD-USD. Just a drop down. NZD-USD. That's it. We're using the 1 hour time frame, and it's a sell. Last week, I remember we had almost 90% buys. And this week You see, we're having sales. We're going to trade what we see, not what we want the market to show us. Lot size is 9.09. It's still 11 pips and 22. Risk to reward 1:2. We're risking 1%. Okay. In most cases, like I said, you see, instead of typing this 1%, since it's the same risk, you just do this. That's it. This one, since it's the same risk on the account, you just do this. That is already is there. This is now going to the London session. So, to the New York session. New York has already opened, right? Yes. So this is New York/London. New York/London overlap. And then we can just increase this size a bit so that it shows. And then it was a trendy market. The trade is still in progress. Okay, that's it. That's it. As soon as we get the same, we're using the same strategy. So we're just going to drag this down. We're using the same strategy. And you can see we have now a total of 4 trades. 3 of them are in progress and 1 is already a winner. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. You can see we're already pushing in profit. US 100, NASDAQ played us dirty last week. No, it was US 2000. All right. So NASDAQ shouldn't fool you. You can see these gaps up here. You need to be very careful. Like I said, 90% of the time, these gaps used to be filled. So I'm expecting something like this, and then boom. So by here, if I bring my fee from most recent swing low to most recent swing high, this level here is going to be around the 50% level. So we'll comfortably get in here. So for now, we just play the waiting game. US 30, I can already see what's happening. I can already see what's happening. Most recent swing low, most recent swing high, and we are seeing a trade coming up very soon. Okay, you can see a trade coming up right here on US 30. We're going to just wait for the first bearish candle to close, right? First bearish candle. We can't try to jump in when you can see the momentum here is so strong. But as soon as the first candle closes, you can see that's already 61% level. The first bearish candle, we're going to be entering on a sell. So let's just wait a bit and see. We're going to be coming. This one high is 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour. We're going to come back and check. Euro NZD. What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? We already missed the trade somewhere here. This is where what I got in here. We already missed it. So for now, we're just expecting the same thing to happen, where this one can be printing around the 50% level. Euro CHF. Euro CHF. Monday, don't expect to have too many trades. Don't force it. Don't force it. We're expecting the same thing to happen around this area, where most recent swing low, most recent swing high, we're going to be getting around 50% level there. Euro USD. I don't think, yes. I think we already, Euro USD, do we have a trade on Euro USD? Let me see. Not really, not really, not really. Not yet. But for now, we're just going to play the waiting game. As Euro USD, you can see this momentum. Expect now something like this. When you see the candles becoming smaller, the momentum is dying off. So expect now something like this, where it pushed back around this area, then boom, this is where we're going to be looking to enter into the market. NZD Singapore dollar, we don't trade that. Who trades that? So, but anyway, there you missed it already there. USD CAD, we had a trade in USD, we had it okay. Fair value gap, those of you guys who trade ICT, simple, you can see that's the gap being filled right there. It's just called gap trading, right? Where anytime the market is closed on Friday, there are still fundamental news events over the weekend. That's why you see the market will open on Monday and you see gaps. So 90% of the times you see those gaps being filled. So you can see this is the same thing. You can see this area is already filling this particular gap right here. So that's fair value gap. So now if we can get any buy opportunity right here, I'm already seeing a buy opportunity because 90% of the time when that gap is already filled, I expect the market to resume in the original direction. But this trend is very, very strong. So if we're entering on a buy here, we need to be very, very careful. So if we're entering on a buy, you need to be very, very careful in the sense that this market might still push down a little bit. So we can enter on a buy here, risk about 15 pips, risk about, let's just say risk about 18 pips and go for 1:2. That's 1:2 right there. That's it. So we can actually do this and we're going to do this, all right? Why are we doing this? You can see we had this confirmation right here. We are in a buy trend. So long as the candlestick hasn't crossed, we are still in a buy trend. And this pullback from here to here, this is around the 51% level. So that's why we're going to be buying this, and we're going to be risking, let's see, we're going to be risking 18 pips on USD CAD. So let's go and calculate the lot size we're going to be using on this trade. USD CAD, come on, USD CAD, USD CAD. USD CAD, that's it. USD CAD is right there. We're going to be risking 18 pips, all right? And we're still risking 1% per trade. Calculate. So the lot size we're going to be using here is 7.97, 7.97. USD CAD, 7.97. USD CAD, where are you? 7.97. Was it 7.97? Let's see. 7.97, yeah. Okay. So that's 7.97. And we're going to be pressing on buy. So quickly go to modify our positions. And what were we risking again? We were risking 18 pips to go for 36 pips. Okay, that's it. Voila. We are already, our account is already up by 3.3%. I will need just 5. Maybe by the time we are even done with this live session, phase 2 will be passed on this account. We have already made $5,000. Right? I want us to trade together. I want us to see how to do this together. All right. But yeah, this one, that's why I'm just putting my stop loss here. So in most cases, I might just touch it a little bit because this area of resistance is very scary. So in some cases, I might just touch it a little bit. All right, I might just touch it a little bit just to respect that area of resistance. And remember, in that case, we're going to be increasing our take profit, just so we have the same risk to reward on this of 1:2 on this trade. So let's see. Good. So how much are we risking? We're risking now 23 pips. So our take profit has to be 46 pips. Okay, so that's it. Voila. So let's let the market do its thing. Let's let the market do its thing. Now let's quickly go and document this one so that we don't forget. This one, this is still the same day, 27. This is still the same time. Okay, not this one. So this one is 2:53. 2:53. Not this. 14. Why is the format changing? So this one, I just need to 2:53. This one is USD CAD. Then this one is a 1 hour time frame and it's a buy. We're risking the same amount, 7.97. We're risking 23 pips to go for 46 pips. Risk to reward is 1:2. Risk to reward is 1:2. And then this one is London/New York overlapping. It's a trendy market in progress. That is it. That is a GUMV arrow. And then we're just going to wait for the trade to play out. Then we'll come and fill all of this right here. Good. So that one is documented. We have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. And one has already hit take profit. So we have a total of 4 trades now up and running. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So for this one, we can leave this one like this. Let's leave this one like this for the market to do whatsoever it has to do. Okay, can you guys see what I was showing you guys right here? This is the US CAD, and when you're entering this kind of trade, always be wary of stuffs like this. But worry not, you can actually see the market coming down to test this resistance and then continue going in our direction. That's why I was just saying we should give it some distance and stand a little bit right here. Now, I'm already risking more than 1% of my account, which is not really good for risk management, right? I'm already risking more than 1% of my account, meaning even part of emotions, I need to put this down because this is not what you should be doing. All right. You even shifting your stop loss again, let it do what it has to do. But I'm just doing it based on these weeks I'm seeing here. Meaning if I'm risking now, let's see, if I'm risking now 32 pips, the take profit needs to be 62 pips. Meaning I need to take this one up to 62 pips. That is it right there. So that's my take profit. So yes, let's go. Now it's concluded. It's concluded on this one. It doesn't want to move. Let's see. Okay, that's too much. That's too much. That's 68. I just need 62. Let's modify it quickly. I just need 62. I just need some, yeah, 62.0. Okay. USD CAC. Okay, okay. That is it. That is it. Let's, like I said, let's leave this one the way it is. We already have 4 trades that are up and running. If all these 4 trades hits our stop loss, will be down by 4%. We already made 2% in the morning. So that's just 4 minus 2. We'll be down by 2% for the day. If we have 50% win rate here, it means 2 of our trades are going to hit take profit. That's 4%. And then we're going to lose 2%. That's going to be plus 2% plus the 2% we made in the morning is going to be 4%. And if we have let's just say if we have now a 60% win rate, so this account is high probability this account might even be passed today. But if it doesn't pass today, the worst case scenario will be back at break even. That's why we'll leave this one like this and then go for the other account, go for the other fresh account and start trading on that one immediately. So that's what I wanted to make clear. So let's quickly go here to see what's going on. What's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? So let's take some few question and answers. Some few question and answers. But before we do that, guys, make sure you smash the like button on the video. Smash the like button on the video. Let me know what you think about this live session. Or let me know what you think about our live sessions. Smash the like button on the video, guys. Smash the like button on the video. Smash the like button on the video. Smash the like button on the video and share with someone. Smash the like button on the video and share with someone. Let me know if you have any question on the comment section, guys. Any question on the comment section. Let me even put our banner so that you guys know exactly what we're doing now. 5-minute break, question and answer. Okay. Any question on the comment section? Yes. Let me just. Okay, let's see. 5 minutes break, question and answer break. Then we'll go back to trading live. Okay, I like that banner. Then we'll go back to trading live. So we're just having a few minutes break. Then we'll go back to live trading. Let me see the questions. the questions we have here. It says, sir, if I buy two prop firms when I'm targeting one, do I use one strategy or I use different strategies? If you have your one strategy, use your one strategy. You can just trade different currency pairs, all right? You can just trade different currency pairs. What our advice is, don't copy your trades. Don't copy one trade from one account to another, because at that point in time, you don't have a buffer. If something goes wrong on one account, the other account will automatically go down. So don't copy trades from one account to another. That's very, very important. And then what are the moving average settings? The video is already on this channel. Please just go to this channel or go to even our previous, go and watch my previous 2025 live sessions. Previous 2025 live sessions. You're going to see everything. We've been passing all the accounts on this particular on lives, and we're going to get the payouts. You guys will be seeing. We're going to get all the payouts on live here. You guys will be seeing. I've come back to prop firms in 2025. The whole of 2024, I didn't place any trade with the prop firm for two reasons. Number one, I compounded almost about $400,000 in payouts with prop firms in 2023. So what the heck was I going to be doing with prop firm, trading with prop firms again in 2024? Because the number one idea of you trading with a prop firm should be to raise capital for your private account, you see. So that's why, number one, why I didn't trade with any prop firm, even one trade with the prop firm in 2024. The second point why I didn't trade with the prop firm in 2024 is I am the founder of one of the fastest growing prop firms, Lionheart funding program. So it would have just been conflict of interest if I was trading with my own prop firm, you see. So that was why I took a step back. And coming back to prop firm, that's what I'm taking. I'm just taking a general prop firm that is not associated with me. I said, okay, let me take a prop firm you guys know, one that is not associated with me, so that I can show you guys how it's done. And because of this, the process is going to be continued. I'm going to continue with prop firms, and I'm going to get to 1 million. You guys are going to be seeing. This is already, we are going to be securing about 100K before the end of today. Before the end of this week, we'll be securing about 200K. It just goes from before, in no time, you see us in 1 million. And I'm going to do everything live. I've taken it as a challenge, and I'll do everything on live. I'll do everything live, record everything live. So if you are ready to go with me on this particular challenge, then be ready to learn, so that by the end of the day, when we start getting payouts on live, you too should start seeing some success on your end. So let's see what MA you are using, and if MA cross in the best time to enter, or we wait for a pullback. No, you see, this is just like dissecting the whole strategy again. Please go and watch the strategy video. Go and watch the strategy video. You're going to understand what's going on. Go and watch the strategy video or join Godlove University, so that you can be able to be drilled very well on the strategy. All right. Can this strategy work on 5K, 10K, 15K, or only any account size? If you're having now a 15K, what you do now is instead of having 100,000, look at this. This strategy will work on any account size. If you're having a $15,000, instead of having $1,000 here, just come and change this and put $15,000. And put a currency pair, put the risk per trade, put the pips, and you get a lot size that can work for that account. All right, if you're trading on $5,000, just come here and put, if you're even on the $1,000, just come there and put 1,000. All right, but reasonably, you should be able to trade with something reasonable, because okay, I just risked good. I was risking 18 pips on US card on 100K, and this was the lot size. Look at $1,000. If I'm trading $1,000 and I click on calculate, look, 0.07. It doesn't even make sense. It doesn't. One pip is just going to be like 0.7 cent. Doesn't make any sense. That's why for you to make anything reasonable in the Forex market at that point in time, you need a reasonable account size. $10,000, 15,000, reasonably $50,000 or $100,000 is going to make some sense. First thing is for you guys to be able to have the skills. Then capital is just going to be a plus to it. So I hope that one is very, 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 very clear. Okay. What time frame are all these trades? I'm using the 1 hour time frame, as you can see on my trading journal. This one says, please, if the maximum daily drawdown is hit while our trades are still running, are we going to lose the account? Yes, if your daily drawdown is hit, you lost the account, even if the trades are still running. So the 10% requirement, is it calculated on total gains minus total loss? For example, I lost 3% and gained 7%. Would 3% be taken out of The 7%. Yes, it's your cumulative equity for the day. It's your equity for the day. So if you make 7% and lost 3%, your average for the day or your total for the your net for the day is going to be plus 4%. What is the name of the video of this strategy? Okay, my PA is going to drop it on the comment section. It's okay. It's already on the video. Is already on the comment section, and that's just like a snippet of the video, right? Of the strategy, right? The advanced version of the strategy with all the tweaks, you have it in Godlove University. I think the link for Godlove University is still on this comment section. Just check the comment section, and you're going to see the link for Godlove University, where you can get all the strategies, or where you can also get the trading journal. Even the trading journal I just shared, that is also a product of Godlove University. Let me just show you guys a little bit of this. So that's why even if you come here, this trading journal, you can see that's Godlove University right there. Prospering Together is a product of Godlove University, and you can duplicate it as many copies as you want. The setting is already, at the end of the day, everything will be under summary. I'll just come under summary. I'll see the total I made for the day, the total I lost. Everything will be under summary by the end of the day. And you can see that's FTMO phase 2, Godlove University. So I'll just put it like this so that I can be able to remember which trading journal it is. As we are starting another account now, we're going to name the account a different name. Right? We're going to give it a different name so that we have a trading journal for each of our account. Last week we had another one for, let me see if I can show you. I can show you guys the one for last week. Let me quickly show you guys this. Let me just go to Google Sheet. It sounds like Google Sheet. Let's just go to Google Sheet and show you guys this one. This one we had for last week, so that you guys can have an idea, know how to journal your trade. You think you can neglect all of this and just magically become profitable? No, no, no. It doesn't work that way. You can't neglect this and you think you just going to magically become profitable. Okay. This one was okay. You can see FTMO Godlove University. This was the one for last week. That you can see that was January 22. That was last week. The account we already passed. So that's why you can see I'm not using the trading journal again, because we already passed. These are all the trades we took. Can you guys see this? These are all the trades we took. We took a total of 11 trades. And out of those 11 trades, look at something. Out of 11 trades, the 11 trades we took, look at something. Can you see this? Out of 11 trades, we had 9 of them winners. That's like 95% win rate. Out of 11 trades we took with the same strategy you guys are seeing on camera. With the same strategy, out of 11 trades, we had 9 of them that were winners. All right, this one was even still in progress, and I just left it there because I already passed the account. You can see this is how much. If I just put it here and you check down here, that's almost about 17,000. Basic Excel. You don't even need to look for advice. And most of the trades were taken during the London session. Only this one was taken between the London and the New York session. And then every other thing is there, blah, 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 blah. So that's just to show you I have each trading journal for each of the challenges I'm taking. If I have to go back again, you see I have another one for my private trading, my private IC market brokerage trading. And if you're looking, guys, another thing before I even digress, please copy them, the links for all the recommended. Anyone watching this particular live, yes, anyone watching this live today needs, this one is I'm telling you what you need to use. Because I don't want to come here, I crack my head like this, and then maybe when you even start trading on live, you go and trade with one sketchy broker that they will never pay you. Everyone watching this live needs to sign up an account with the links of the broker I'm going to be dropping on the comment section. Right? Everyone watching this video. So you need to be able to sign up an account with one of those brokers. Those are my recommended brokers. So that if I'm teaching you, I have the confidence that when you actually make that money, the broker is going to pay you without any delay. So let me see. Let me just I'm just waiting to see if my PA has dropped the link. It's a lot. I have to drop it 1-1. Okay, 1-1. Yeah, YouTube it's restricting. Okay, just drop the IC market. Yeah, drop just I want everyone. This is very, very important. I've seen situations, even students in Godlove University. Now they know how to trade. They'll go and choose one sketchy broker. They will make that money. They will never pay them out. So everyone watching this video today, should be trading with a broker, with this particular broker, right? Just copy that link. Just copy that link. That's my recommended broker right there. I recommend this Forex broker, IC Market number 1. And don't just hear IC Market. I just run on Google and go and type IC Market. You're going to sign up. You're going to sign up with a pirated website. So use that link. Just copy that link, put on your browser, and I think it's not clickable, right? Or it's clickable. Good. So just click on that link. Just click on that link, and it's going to take you directly to the website, and you sign up an account. I'm going to give you guys few minutes, 2 minutes to go and sign up an account. Go and sign up an account with a broker that is going to pay you. Not you guys coming here with follow the learn. Now we know how to trade, and at the end of the day, you make that money and the broker doesn't pay you out. No, I'm giving you guys a 100% regulated broker. So guys, I'm giving you, click that link on the comment section. Go and sign up. Go and sign up with an account, then we can continue. Click that link on the comment section. Please select just the link and put it there. The link is already there. The link is on the comment section. So click just that link on the comment section. Go and sign up an account. I'm giving you guys, let's have a 60 second breaks so that you guys can be able to go and sign up an account. That's a broker every 1 year needs to be using. 11%. Okay, 11% battery remaining. I just hope by the time we feel. No, okay, transmitter on this one, so it's still fine. Transmitter is this one, man. Oh yeah, I can see. Yeah, it's the mic. Anyway, if it goes up, the one inside there is going to pick up, so it's fine. My mic is saying 11%. So if it goes up, that one is going to pick up. Okay. Let's see. Can you guys see what's happening with our trades? That's almost $2,100 up and floating. Now our equity is on 100, almost 104,000. So we just need 1,000 to pass phase 2. While we are still online. Anyway, let's go and continue with our video. So have you guys signed up yet? Should we continue? Okay, let's pick 1 or 2 more questions and then continue with our trading. Remember, we still have 1 account we're going to trade, guys. Please, you guys shouldn't be signing up yet. Please drop a like on the video, smash that like button on the video, and share with someone. So, sir, can we scalp on LP? On LFP? Yes, you can trade any style you want. But what I'm just showing you guys is not scalping. I'm not scalping. It's more of swing trading because the trade can even be open for days. I'm trading on the 1 hour time frame. I'm not using the 15-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame or the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame. Broker is not allowed in Europe. Shame. It's a shame. Okay, check my YouTube channel, check my YouTube video, check the video description. You're going to see other brokers that are accepted in Europe. So is it most to allow the trade to hit 1:2 TP? You just need to go back and watch the strategy video. All right, you need to go back and watch the strategy video so that you understand exactly what we are doing. So long as you already set your target 1:2 risk to reward, you walk away from your computer and let the market do its thing. Full stop. Okay, let's go back to trading, guys. Let's go back to trading. Let's remove our banner. Okay. Now we need this other FTMO account. We need to log into this other fresh FTMO account. So let's get the credentials. So the credentials are right there. And I need to look for a way to sign multiple MetaTrader 5 accounts on this computer. But what do you think we can do? We can trade this one inside the VPS. Yes, I have many computers in this computer, so we can trade this one in the VPS. So I'm going to be launching my VPS so that we can trade this one in the VPS. Okay, not that one, because I don't want to sign out from this particular one. I just need to put my VPS on so that we can trade it from the VPS. Which of the VPS? Which of the VPS? I think it should be this. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. But now, when you sign, you need to go and put in the currency pairs again.
Yeah, you have to set it up.
You need to go and set it up again. So we'll just use the current one we already used. We'll just sign up that account. We can always come back.
We can always switch between accounts.
Yeah, we can always come and switch it in again. So let's sign out this particular one. Okay. So we need our credentials to sign into this one. Let's just go here. So you see, I don't copy trades. I don't copy this trade copier to copy one trade to this account. That is very, very dangerous when you are trading, because if something goes wrong, it's going to go wrong on all your accounts. So I don't advise you doing copy trading. I don't advise that. For any reason, I don't advise that. Okay, let's go. Let's quickly sign out this one. You can see that's almost 104,000. That's 4% of our account, and we need just 1% more to win. So I'm very, very positive we're going to pass phase 2 of this account before the end of the day. Okay, we need a password and the saver. What is the saver on this account? The saver is FTMO5, and the password is this one. Saver is FTMO5, and this is the password, FTMO saver 5. And then voila. I'm just waiting for it to load. Why did it not load? FTMO server 5. Oh, the password. The password should be the problem. The password, let's get our credentials again. Password should be the problem. And then we just go back here. Perfect. Did you hear that sound? We are in. So let's just give it a couple of minutes for the new account to load. You can see that's fresh 100K. Fresh 100K. So let's go and continue from where we ended. We ended with USD card. So USD card, that's where we ended. Let's see US. Okay, I can see this is the one that almost the one that we had a loss last week. So US 2000. Can already see something happening here. So if I can take this from here to here, this is a fib level of 50%. So we're going to be entering a sell here. All right, we're going to be entering a sell here, but a very conservative sell, because you can see the momentum that is pushing against us. So we're going to be entering on a sell right here. Let's calculate and see. Let's see. Short position. We're going to enter our short position here. Stop loss is just going to go here and on 74 pips or whatsoever it is. And then we'll just go for a risk to what I want us to do. That's it. That's it. That's it. So now there's something I want you guys to pay attention. Since we're trading US 2000, the way you're going to calculate your lot size is a little bit different. All right. So this one, we'll use this website. But very soon, Lionheart funding program is also going to be having indices on their position size calculator. But for now, we're going to use this one. You just go to just say Forex calculator, for Nasdaq calculator, Nasdaq Forex calculator. Okay, by cashback Forex. Now that peak calculator, cashback Forex. That's the one we use. So you come here to lot size. We're calculating the lot size, not the peak value. Why is this thing? I hate when these ads show up. I hate it. Okay, so here we're calculating what? We're calculating the lot size, and we need to select the asset. It's US 2000. US 2000 is right there. And then what's our open price? Our account balance is 100,000. Stop loss price. What's our open price? Let's go and confirm the open price. The open price here is 22,083. 22,083. 22,083. Yeah, that's the actual price. And then the stop loss price, that's where we need to pay attention. Stop loss price is here. Our stop loss price is, remember, we're going to be entering here. So our stop loss price is at 2291.7. 2291.7. 2291.7. Let's go. Where is it? 2291.7. That is it. We're going to be risking 1% per trade. So we put 1%. That's our account balance. We click on calculate. So the lot size we're going to be using here is 122. These are indices. These are stock indices. So yes, the lot size 122. Amount at risk, we're going to be risking $1,000. So I'm fine. I know that if the trade doesn't go my way, I'm risking $1,000 from this trade. So let's quickly go and place our trade. So we're going to US 200. US 200 should be here. This is US 200. And we're going to be doing this. So let's go here and put 122. The lot size is 122, right? Yeah, 122. Okay. And it's a set. They will just confirm our one-click trading and then set. That is it. Let's quickly modify. Let's quickly modify. I think it was 70. What again? What was our stop loss again? Let's quickly see here. Stop loss 74, 74 and 152. 74 and 152. Okay. 74 and 152. 74, 0 and 1, 152, 0. Okay, that's our stop loss. That's our take profit. Let's just adjust it a little bit. Good. Stop loss, take profit. Let's go. Let's wait for the market to do what it has to do. The spreads are crazy. Just from selling, you can already see how much we are down with spreads. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. I'm just gonna, yeah, that's it. We save on that particular one. Now let's see. I think we've already gone through most of our currency pairs we have on our is it waiting list or what's it called again? On our to-do, on our market watch. Yeah, watch list. So let's just go through those key ones we said we're going to be coming back to look just to see if the market has gotten to any of those key levels. No. 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 Yes. 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 Like this. Like this, like this, like this, like the gold, gold, gold. Like this. I like this, I like this. But we are still in a downtrend. So we can't be looking for a buy. Even if you go for most recent swing low, most recent swing high, we can't be looking for a buy here because we are still in a downtrend. So very, very careful. I would have already been tempted to be looking for a buy here. But we'll only do that when what has happened. When we've already gotten across, until now we are in a uptrend before we start looking for buys. So for now, don't be tempted to go against your trading plan. Okay, this one, nothing yet. Okay, good, good. That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Most recent swing low, most recent swing high. Okay, we haven't even gotten to the 38% level. So we're going to wait 38% level, waiting for this area to test. So we're just going to wait. Just going to wait. Good, 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 good. Can you see? This is what we were waiting for. This is what we were waiting for. Most recent swing high, most recent swing low. Now we are on 38. We're on 38%. So it's either we wait for the next candle to close for us to look for a bearish sign, or we can enter now with a wide stop loss. So let's wait for it to close. Let's wait for it to close. I'll advise to wait for it to close, and then we can enter with a very conservative stop loss. This one, nothing happening here. Okay, this is what I'm waiting for. This is what I'm looking. This is what I would remember. This is what we're waiting when we spoke about this last time. If we have to bring in our pips from here to here. Voila, that's 38 we're testing right now. So at the close of the next candle, if it's bearish, we're going to be coming in with a sell. So most of our positions are hitting up nicely. This one, we already hit 2% of our count on this one in the morning. So we're just going to be waiting to see what happened. Okay, we already hit 2% of this one as well in the morning. So we're just going to wait to see what happened. Or maybe this was I think this was last week. Yes, this was last week. So we're just waiting for a pullback. Okay. Let's wait. More money is made in Forex trading waiting than actual trading. I'm waiting for this key area to push. I'm waiting for that key area to clear. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Remember, we said we're going to be looking for a buy opportunity, for a sell opportunity, because this one was already going too high. So we're just going to leave it as it is. Okay, this one too, we'll leave it as it is. We'll leave it as it is. We'll leave it as it is. Wow, this one, look at this one. Which one is this? AD card. Look at AD card. Can you see AD card pushing to our TP? This was taken on the account that is having on our account that is having that is on phase 2. And you can see we are almost pushing to our TP. Card JPY. Let's wait for it to push back a little bit. Let's cool down ourselves a little bit. Let's not hurry. I'm waiting for it to clear this area right here. If I bring fix from here to here, this should be around 50%. So let's wait for it to clear a little bit. They're not complaining about the sound, right? Because the mic went off. So we're just gonna block it on call. The camera, remember, if the mic goes off, the camera picks it automatically. It's having an internal mic. Okay. NZD-USD, I already have a trade on this, and I hope you're doing me good. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. NZD-USD. Can you see entries? Sniper. This is what they call sniper entries. Look, boom, and that's what they call sniper. Sniper entries. US 100. Nothing for now. Nothing for now. This is just a trap. Don't fall for this trap, guys. This is just a trap. If you bring your feet from here to here, this hasn't even hit. Gotten to the 38% level. If you are doubting, let me show you. That is just a trap. That is just a trap. It hasn't even gotten to 23%. At least it should get to the 38% level. That is just a trap. Pay attention. Good. I can already see this is the one we can actually, we're saying we can sell. But if we're selling here, yeah, no, US 30. Yeah, US 30 is the one we can bear that risk. That's the one we can bear that risk, because if you bring our fibs from year to year, it's already testing the 61% level. So we're going to do what we're going to do. We're going to do what we're going to do. But the momentum is still very, very strong. So we can wait until we have a bearish candle closing in the direction of the trend. So let's wait a bit. Let's follow our trading plan. Let's not just be so carried away as no, that's a good setup. Let's jump in and boom, we instant. So let's wait. I think we've gone round and round. So good. Those are the few trades we could take, because in Forex market, we trade what we see, not what we want the market to show us. So you can see this is our second account. Our second account, which we just started from phase 1. The other one on phase 2 is already up by about 4%. It should be funded by the end of the day, meaning by the end of the day, we should be trading with live 100K funds on that account. And this one, we're trading this one together, meaning every other trade we take on this, we're going to be recording. So even though we said we're all going to be going live on Mondays, just set your notifications on my YouTube channel. we can just pop up any day and say, okay, let's go live on YouTube and continue trading on this account. But it's already setting that, okay, on Monday at this time, we go live on this time. I'm just saying there can be additional times where we still jump on our computer and we go live on YouTube. So let me see if you guys have any question and answers before any questions before we call it a day. So if you have few before we go to few questions. Before we go to few question and answers, let me just show you that I see a lot of people are asking on the comment section, like, what is Godlove University? What will I get from Godlove University? Let me just show you guys. You don't even need to go far. Just go on Google and write Godlove University. Just type Godlove University on Google. Can you see? All the pages on Google are talking about Godlove University. All the pages. So you go there, you can be able to. Godlove University offer a complete A to Z Forex course. Patriots Pro, which has been awarded as the most profitable Forex robot you can think of. And then Patriots Pro is the only Forex robot that is having a Discord community for traders. Look at this. This is a private, okay, talking about Godlove University, this is the private community for Godlove University, right? That's a private community for Godlove University students where you can you see how they're analyzing, they're sending their template, their trading journals and all of that. And then there's a private community for Patriots Pro. Look. Just go here, you'll be fueled by motivation. Can you see? Goal is expected to You can't scroll more than 10 minutes here without seeing someone sharing screenshot. Look at this person, 600 and this per day. Look, that's my Patriots Pro. That's a community of more than 7,000 traders. Look, that's Patriots Pro in a day. Scroll up, you're gonna skip. Look, in a day. That was just for the past 3 days or so, from Friday, since the market was closed on Friday. Can you see? Look. Can you see? Can you see? So can you see this? Look, $2,500. Can you see? So this is just to show you about that particular product known as Patriots Pro. It comes with almost about 18 videos that will teach you on how to use the robot. Then we also have one-on-one session. A one-on-one session is just when maybe you want us to chat one-on-one. You want me to dissect you and tell you your path to success in Forex trading. Then you can book a one-on-one. And talking about the one-on-one, it comes with a lot. All right, it comes with a lot. You'll be able to have a 100K profit account by the time you just book a one-on-one session. After you also have access to Godlove University, and then you also have access to 1-year license for Patriots Pro. So you see, all of that is going to be going up to about $5,000. The one-on-one, I think, is $999. All right, so just paying for it is already covered all the other services. So that's just Godlove University. Just click on the link. It's going to take you to Godlove University. I advise you start with the course. Start with the course to train yourself on the ins and outs of Forex trading. All right. So start with the course. That's where you're going to learn everything. And as you're learning the course, if you want to get a tool that can be as we are recording the video, someone from KZN go down from Durban KZN. KZN is in South Africa. It's KwaZulu-Natal. So someone there just 5 minutes ago is already purchasing the course. See, this is another one 5 hours ago from Los Angeles, California, purchasing the course. So that's just to tell you how people are hungry for success, how people are hungry to make it in Forex trading in 2025. So you must be ready to invest. Look at someone from GA. I don't know, maybe GA stands for Gabon. Gaborone. I think that should be Gabon or something. As we are recording the video, that's just to tell you how people are hungry to succeed in Forex trading in 2025. You should be ready to have something on the line. You should be ready to invest something, because something for free, your psychology tends not to value it. Or that when people pay, they pay attention. That's something I always used to say. But with Godlove University, anything you invest is like investing in yourself. All right. So that's why you have course, robot, signal service, one-on-one. So go on a course, you have everything. You just go there, take time, you read everything you want to read about the course, the duration, everything about it. And if you have a question and you want to talk to someone one-on-one, there's someone here on standby to chat with us. These are actually live humans. These are humans behind this. These are humans behind this chatting one-on-one. So you go there, there's already someone on the other side that will be able to assist you on all your questions. Not a robot, a human on the other side. The one-on-one is right there. If you want to book for one-on-one, Patriots Pro is right there. So I just want to take a minute. I just wanted to take a minute to digress a little bit, just to tell you guys a little bit about Godlove University and its product. If you're buying Patriots Pro, applying for signals, Any other thing that has to do with me and it's not on this website is a colossal scam. It's 100% a scam. So if you are going somewhere to buy Petrex Pro, that's a pirated version. It's a scam. You're going to blow your account. If you are going somewhere to buy a course from someone that's a scam, he's going to be telling you about crypto investments, about this, you're going to lose your money. Anything that has to do with me has to pass through this website, godloveuniversity.com. So I wanted to make that one very clear. Okay. Let me see if I can just take a few questions now for us to round up. Okay, let's have 5 minutes break, question and 5-minute question and answer break, then we go back to trade. So in this case, we're not going to be back to trading. We're going to be done for today. So any question you have, guys, drop it on the comment section. And I'm going to see the few ones I can be able to pick. Okay, let me see the questions you guys have for me on the comment section. Okay, someone said, someone said, your USDT is getting right. Please take a look. No problem. It should get right. No problem. How am I going to tell you if it has gotten right or not? When I've gotten a bearish candle closing in the direction of the trend. All right. So don't suffer from FOMO. Don't suffer from FOMO. US30. Let me just quickly look. US30. Yes. Let's hold on a bit. Let's hold on a bit. All right. Let's hold on a bit on US30. Okay. Someone say is LHP a Lionheart funding program? Is Lionheart funding program working? For now, we are migrating. We're changing our tech providers so that we can be able to provide you guys MT5. So for that reason, purchasing of new accounts and trading is temporarily paused on Lionheart funding program because we are changing the tech providers to provide you guys MT5. All right. So by the end of next week or by mid next month, Lionheart funding program should be back up and run. Mine is request 50% of Godlove University. No, we don't. Unfortunately, we don't have any 50% of discount for Godlove University or any of our products for now because we already did enough for December, enough for Black Friday, Yellow Friday, Green Friday. So we already did enough. So for now, just cover your eyes and get in for what the price is because it's nothing compared to the worth you're going to be getting in the university. Say, if I pass phase 1 and he did a drawdown on phase 2, would I lose the account? Yes, you lost everything as if you never bought a challenge. You start from square one. So you just need to, when you've already passed phase 1 and go to phase 2, make sure you drop your risk management. That's why you guys must have noticed when I'm trading on phase 1, I can take as many trades as possible. I don't care. Hitting my daily drawdown. But the moment I go to phase 2, I don't take more than 5 trades per day because I don't want to violate the daily drawdown. The same thing will happen when I get funded. I don't take more than 5 trades on that particular account unless I already have a buffer. Maybe the first few trades of the day were all winners, then I have a buffer, then I can continue taking more trades. So with that, you make sure you never violate the daily drawdown. How do you deal with the minimum trading days? Good. With minimum trading days, for example, this is phase 2 of our verification phase. So I'm very certain this one is going to be passed. This phase is going to be passed today. I'm very certain. So, but that's going to be passed in one day. That's just one trading day, right? Guys, please leave a like on the video. We're going to be rounding up very soon. Don't go just yet. This is a lot. There's a lot you can learn from this. So, let's just say I pass phase 2 today. What am I going to do? The rule states, all right, the rule states is 4 minimum trading days, meaning tomorrow I can just come and I just open a trade of 0.01. I just wait for about 10 minutes, I close the trade. That's already another trading day. I come the next day, so long as I've already hit that target, I come the next day, I just open again of 0.01. I wait for about 10 minutes, I close it, all right? I just do that for 4 days, just to show that I'm actively trading for 4 days. And then boom, you're going to pass. Okay. I think we're going to be rounding up here for today, guys. So, Godlove University students. So this one say GU is very resourceful. Yes, Godlove University is very, very resourceful. Anything you need in forex trading, from A to Z, from automation, you're going to find it in Godlove University. So talking about Godlove University, I'm going to be leaving you guys here. And I have a live session with Godlove University students coming up on Wednesday. So if we can have a detailed session like this, just imagine what I used to have with Godlove University students. So I want you guys to be part of it. Make sure you check the link. Enroll in Godlove University. That's going to be the best investment of your life. I can assure you that. So enroll in Godlove University so that we can still crush this live on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I'm going to be trading on almost about 3 challenge accounts. All right. So make sure you are enrolled in Godlove University. Check the link that the moderator has already dropped on the comment section. Enroll in Godlove University, and I'll see you guys live again in Godlove University on Wednesday. And if you want to use my recommended brokers, you shouldn't be trading with any other broker beside the ones I've recommended, because those are brokers that have paid me more than $500,000 each. So you can always check the link of my recommended broker on the comment or on the comment section of my videos. And then you need to stay in the loop. You need to join my community. Join my community. Please drop the link for Telegram. So check the link on the video description to join my Telegram free community. Most of you guys never miss anything from me because you are in my Telegram community. Right? You are in my Telegram community. So check the link on the comment. I'm just waiting for the link for the video or the link for my Telegram. You also find the link for my Telegram community on any of my videos. My videos, there you'll be able to get tips directly from me one-on-one. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thought. You can share your thoughts on the internet. When you share your thoughts, always tag me. Well, if you get something from my teachings, if you get something from my YouTube videos, if you get something from even Godlove University, make sure when you're posting, share your story online, document your process, and make sure you always tag me on it. If I see, I'm obviously going to share it to also give you some exposure. So join my free Telegram community. That's the link on the video description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.